And the Prophet ﷺ, though he was so kind and compassionate and affectionate, though he was caring, that did not stop him from forbidding evil and vice and any form of transgression whenever it occurs from his wives. So there is this balance, and we should learn this balance. There is a red line we should not cross. Mother Aisha says, the Prophet ﷺ came once from an expedition where I had, while he was absent, covered a small hatch or a room with a curtain that had pictures on it. When the Prophet came in, ﷺ, he stood by the door and did not enter. In another narration, he went in, took the curtain down and tore it up. So when she saw the Prophet ﷺ not coming in, she said, "O Prophet of Allah, I seek Allah's forgiveness and I repent to Him. What have I done?" He said, "O Aisha, don't you know that those who made these pictures are the most severely punished on the Day of Judgment?" And this shows us the gravity of such a sin, to have things of or containing pictures of humans or animals in your home. So the Prophet's love to Aisha did not stop him from forbidding evil. Also, when Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, cursed the Jews who used to come in and say, "Assalamu alaikum," meaning death be upon you. And the Prophet would hear them and would ignore what they said by replying to them by saying, "Wa alaykum." That's it. It doesn't complete the whole phrase, "Wa alaykum as-salam," because they did not say as-salam, they said as-sam. So she cursed them and she said that may death be upon you, you grandchildren of apes and pigs and the likes. And they said, "No, Aisha, don't do this. A believer is not someone who slanders or says offensive words. Allah responds to me when I say wa alaykum, meaning death, but He does not respond to them when they say their offensive words against me." هذا والله أعلم ونسبة العلم إليه أسلم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على عبده ورسوله نبينا محمد.